Hello guys, I am here in Showroom Arnhem, and here some beautiful art pieces of various artists are exhibited, and the main theme is about the harsh life of domestic women.
I think it's a lot more focused compared to the other venues. I really had time to sit still and listen, especially for the sound pieces. And I think that really allowed me to reflect a lot more on the stories that the artists were trying to tell. I'm not sure if the topics were also really hard to engage with, especially for someone who does not share similar backgrounds or maybe ethnic cultural backgrounds or references. But I do think that just walking around the park and coming here was really poignant in helping to reflect and understand the grander narrative as well.
They're showing the woman doing lots of work, and that's what I like to say.
So when I was looking at these paintings, I had to think, it reminded me of my classmate. I graduated from Artes 3 years ago, and Hella den Boom, a friend of mine, she graduated with like cleaning towels, which you used to clean or dry your hands with, and she framed those. But she also made a video projection of her cleaning in a bunny suit, like with ears and like this pink with a bunny tail. And her work was kind of about feminism and femininity, that you can also be feminist and choose to do like cleaning and cooking, and like when you like that, you should also have the possibility to choose to do that.
I like particularly the paintings about the woman who were the African Ghana woman, from how much work they had, woman-like, with no, I think no salary or anything. I like that because I also been much time in West Africa myself, so I know the situation.